number 12.
Mas maganda yun
Ginoo, number 13. Let's welcome Ginoo, number 15.
Hindi naman si
Let's welcome Ginoo, number 17. And completing our magic 5 is Ginoo, number 18. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our top 5. So kung may top 5, mayroong top 4.
Yes,
Diba?
yung
Sa
top
ating
4 ng Miss
host.
Earth.
And completing the top 5 for the host is... Apat lang talaga.
By the way, thank you very much to these two ladies, no? Na talaga-
Totoo naman.
In fairness, lumaban din talaga sila ng,
Yes.
ng energy. At saka, I would like to commend them for being articulate and eloquent. Apart from being beautiful inside
Totoo
out.
naman. So sa mga nanonood natin dyan sa online, if you are looking for hosts ng mga young and beautiful, available po sila.
Yes.
Please tell them your social media accounts before we announce the winners.
Before I tell my social media accounts, thank you then, Mommy Win Powell and Christine Ibortulazo for guiding us tonight. My social media is Tony Montilla on Facebook and IG. Follow me for more
Updates.
Just like what Tony said, I would like to thank E&J Talent and Production for inviting me here as one of your beautiful hosts. And thank you din po to Mama Kay and Mama Win for always supporting us since it's our first time here as well. So my socials and Facebook is Angela Louise and Instagram is Avecella, Avecella. That translates to with Ella. That's all, thank you.
Love
Oh, di ba? Very
it.
eloquent.
Totoo naman.
Laban din talaga.
Yes. Ate Bean, how about your socials?
Win Powell sa Facebook. Ganun din po sa Instagram.
Yes,
Win
and
Powell.
also mine, please like and follow Christine T. Bardolasa. Christine with K. Ayan. So, the results are in. Engineer Elmer. There you have it. May we call on our judges to please be here on the awarding part of our stage.
And of course, once again, we would like to thank all our panel of the Board of Judges, our audience, supporters, the family, the friends, the glam team, everyone, and of course, our contenders, no, ng Ginoong Antipolo for making this night possible and victorious. Maraming salamat din sa ating E&J Production, Mother Lito, Jan, Sir Elmer, of course, ang ating technical team, ang ating stage, the lighting, the LGU of Antipolo headed by Mayor June Inares.
Of course, we would like to thank Mayor June Inares and the city government of Antipolo for always supporting such event. And now, ladies and gentlemen, on our hands are the result. Ella, do the honor announcing our fourth runner-up.
For our fourth runner-up, we have... Who do you think it is, Antipoleños?
Sino kaya ang fourth runner-up?
Any
Sino?
guesses? Okay. For our fourth runner-up. Fourth runner-up is Gino number 17, John Philip Forbes. Congrats to Gino number 17. You may receive your sash and crown.
Congratulations. Miss Tony, do the honors in announcing our third runner-up.
Antipolo, the time has come for our third runner-up. Our third runner-up is none other than Ginoo number 18, Dustin De La Cruz.
Congrats to Gino number 18.
Congratulations,
You may receive
Ginoo.
your crown and sash.
He will be awarded by the gorgeous Shane Carreño of the Trans Pinay of Antipolo Organization. By the way, abangan natin ang Queen of Antipolo, ha?
And
Oh, yes,
support
Queen of Antipolo.
LGBT.
Yes, Queen of Antipolo's screening will be on April 22.
Ayan, April
At SM
22.
Center, Antipolo Downtown. So all of the aspirants, transgender woman in the Antipolo City, April 22, SM Center, Antipolo Downtown, 1 p.m.
Can't wait. Stay tuned, everyone.
And now, I am going to announce our second runner-up. Once again, Kagawad, he will receive a crown, sash, and cash worth
5,000 pesos.
which will be awarded by
Our reigning second runner-up, Christian Buenaventura. Ang pogi ni Christian, ang ganda pa ng boses niya. Oo. Ganyan ang mga gusto kong boyfriend eh.
Ayun!
and of course one of our panel of the Board of Judges. So Antipoleños, our second runner-up is Ginoo number 15, Nero Chilo Fernandez.
Congrats, Ginoo number 15! Once again, you will be receiving sash, crown, and worth of 5,000 pesos.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. And congratulations.
Once again, congratulations to our Ginoo 15. He is our second runner-up.
Two men standing before us.
Please step forward.
Let's please step forward, gentlemen. So we have remaining, no? Contender number
13
13
and number
and
12.
12. Okay.
The number that I'll be calling is this year's Ginoong Antipolo 2026 Grand Winner. Which means that the number that I haven't called is our first runner-up. Maliwanag po, ang una po nating babanggitin ang siyang nanalo ngayong gabi. years Ginoong Antipolo 2026 is you, Ginoong Antipolo number sabay-sabay tayo girls ha, number
13! John Ryan Nata! First runner-up is Ginoong number 12, Richard Bench Linares!
Congratulations! Joven Morong, una muna natin award ng first runner-up, and of course, Edward Pante.
He will be awarded by Mr. Edward Pante.
He will receive cash crown and
Cash worth
10,000
pesos. Congratulations, Sir Ginoon number 12, our 2026 Ginoong Antipolo first runner-up.
And of course, for our winner, we will be awarded by our reigning king, no other than Mr. Justin, and of course our chairman of the board, the one and the only Mother Meg. Love you, nice to see you, Mother.
Congrats to Ginoong number 13, John Ryan Nata!
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our winners for tonight.
Thank you so much to our beloved sponsors, our organizers, ENJ Talents and Production. Especially to those people who watch and supported our candidates. Once again, I am Angela Luis G. Santos.
I am Tony Marie Montilla.
And I'm Win Powell.
And I am Kagawad Christine Bardolasa. See you all on Ginoong Antipolo
2027!
Congratulations, winner!
That's all for tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Antipoleños, good night!
Good morning na. Ano sa akin na naman?
Thank you all our organizers, candidates for our official photo.
Pagpasok mo pala,
Congrats!
Tonight, ikaw ang reyna ng saya.